Hey guys, Matt with Hiner Landscapes. Wanted to check in. It's been a few days since we last filmed here and wanted to give some progress on this project that we've been. Last time we were here it was raining, and we have since finished the falls. We have a little bit of detail work to do on this pond. We got to do some cleanup. The water's real murky right now, but all part of the process. Behind me we are working on the hardscapes, and what we've got going on in here is a paver patio with bell guard pavers. We've got some steps going up here. The guys are working on some excavation, making sure that we've got all of the drainage going on. Our clients are going to be redoing their deck in a year. So one of the things that we've been working on is making sure that we get those steps dialed into where the future deck steps will be. I wanted to check in and show you a couple of the tricks of what we do to get the base preparation dialed in and to get everything built properly, so that way you've got a permanent patio solution that's really low maintenance. So right here is going to be a future fire pit. You can see we've got an 1.25 inch gas line installed. We're waiting for an inspector to come later today to get this inspected. One of the things that goes on here is we pressurize this thing up to 10 pounds, and then it needs to make sure that it's holding that, so when the inspector comes he knows that we've got gas tight connections. We're gonna have an awesome Warming Trends 36-inch burner. You can see that leaning up against the fence there. And then what's gonna be pretty cool about this patio is we've got this real cool moss boulder, and then coming off this moss boulder here we're gonna have a seat bench that comes around the fire pit, so you can enjoy the fire pit and then check out this view. You have the fire pit, and then you'll be sitting right here and you'll be looking at the pond. Is that not cool or what? One of the challenges that we had with the design on this is a lot of grade changes. You'll see there's a slope right here, so we'll have a couple of steps going up to a walkway so they can get out of the house, and then we've got several steps going all the way up and around to the front of the house. So these are some natural stone by Salome that's quarried out of in between Canyon City and Pueblo West. It's going to be a nice complement. We've got all the natural boulders. We're going to have plants in here, finished up with some mulch. You can see that we are excavating about 7 inches below final grade. We got the boys digging down so that way we can compact. We've got the steps coming down so that way when it's finished we've got the pavers that just go nice and flat going all the way around. I almost forgot, last time we were building this, and I figured you want to see some close-ups of these streams. These just turned out absolutely fantastic. I'm going to flip this camera around and get you to see what's going on. Check out these falls. So natural. Some cool splits and different heights. Cascades. So all the way to the top we've got the Waterfalls 6000. It's an aquascape product. That's part of the filtration system. Comes up from the bottom and passes through different layers of filter media and comes down. Check out the view from up here. This thing looks massive up here. It's awesome. Down there, that's where the fire pit is. Seat bench coming around. Guys are checking grade with the laser. Got boulders, lots going on here.